My name is Marina, and you are on the Rasso channel. Today, we'll create a simple, concise, yet vibrant and unusual ring. For me, it symbolizes infinity, something reliable and enduring. This ring will complement any of your outfits. You can also make matching rings, one for yourself and another for your best friend. As for materials, it's cost-effective. I used 90 beads for my ring, 45 of one color and 45 of another. You can use leftover beads to create a trendy ring. Just make sure to choose beads that won't fade or lose their color when in close contact with the skin. Let's get started. I'll be using gold and black beads, although later I realized the black ones were actually dark green. You'll need beading thread, a beading needle, scissors, and a small plate. I really like the simplicity and the intricate pattern at the same time. And of course, the concept of something continuous and infinite. Prepare your beads. You won't need too many. You can choose any combination of colors. Cut a thread of about 130 centimeters. Thread it through the needle and leave a 15 centimeters tail, tying a knot that can be undone later. This loop is temporary. String 17 black beads and then 17 gold beads. The number can vary, but it should be enough to fit around your finger. Move to the second row. String 1 gold bead and go down through the last bead from the top. They should align opposite each other. Move upward. The principle is very simple, but I've also drawn it on a diagram for clarity. String 1 gold bead and go through the mirrored bead from top to bottom. Then come up again. Once again, string 1 gold bead and go into the mirrored bead from top to bottom. Then come out from the top. Don't worry if the beads slide on the thread for now. Continue this pattern. As long as you're working with gold beads, add one at a time. Look at the diagram. It's like drawing circles. When you reach the equator, switch to the dark color. Do the same as before, but use 1 black bead instead of gold. It's easy to weave and looks beautiful already. Finish with the last bead. You'll notice the base is elastic, but we'll secure it. Thread the needle through the first row completely. Now, the main thread is coming out of the gold beads. String 11 beads of the same color and pull the thread through. Since your thread is coming out of one row, use the free row for the needle. You've created a gold loop. Thread through this row completely, reinforcing the base. Both threads are now on the same side. You can untie the knot on the short thread. Everything is well secured. Thread this end of the base through the gold loop. String 11 black beads onto the main thread. Now pass the needle through the inside of the ring and go into the second row. Pull the thread through. Magic! The knots interlace and hold securely. Now just pass the needle and thread through the ring, making sure it's not loose, and the beads are snug against each other. Go through the rows and bead loops. Tightening everything nicely. In the end, go around the beads 5 times in a similar manner. Cut the thread. Do the same with the second, small end of the thread. These rings are made easily and quickly, and they don't require many beads. I'm very happy with the result. I wear my rings every other day. Back on Rasso's channel, where creativity is our handle.